We are here today to explore a variation of cat-cow that involves using the breath for stretching. And Richard is here to demonstrate. Welcome, Richard.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
Glad you're here. Let's get started. For this variation of cat-cow, you will come into table, start on hands and knees. And I suggest putting a blanket underneath your knees for added comfort. You want to check that your wrists are underneath the shoulders, the knees are underneath the hips, and if you need additional comfort for the legs, you can always put a blanket roll underneath the ankles. With table, we check that our spine is in a neutral alignment, parallel to the floor. The neck is supporting the head, holding it. Good. Taking another breath here. Now, same as we do with our cat-cows, let's do a few normal cycles. The inhale, the belly relaxes down. Good. The heart forward, head up. As you exhale, the pelvis tilts back, dropping the tailbone, hollow out the belly, and the head relaxes down. The inhale, tailbone reaches behind you, pelvis drops in, belly relaxes, the whole spine follows up through the neck. Exhale into cat, dropping the tailbone down, rounding through the spine, and head relaxes down. And now we add the additional breath to stretch and tone our muscles. Inhale into cow. Now stay in cow and exhale here. Stay here, inhale. Exhale into cat. Good. Keeping cat, inhale. Stay here, exhale. Good. Stay here, inhale. Exhale, table. And let's try that one more time. Inhale to cow. Stay here, exhale. Stay here, inhale. Exhale, cat. Good, moving from the tailbone. Stay here, inhale. Stay here, exhale. Good, stay here, inhale. Stay here, exhale. Going a little bit deeper, good. Inhale, table. And exhale, child's pose. And give yourself a few breaths in child's pose, letting the whole spine rest. You can always place a blanket between your hips and your heels or behind the knees. Staying here as long as you need to. If you have questions on this or comments, let me know below. Namaste.